This is an Aerlang electric scooter. Let's take a look and see what's inside. All nicely packaged up with styrofoam. User manual, toolkit. It looks like it's pretty much ready to go. That's pretty exciting. Alrighty, I'm just gonna put the kickstand down and I'm gonna put this styrofoam on all the junk away. Looks pretty straightforward to me. I'm gonna slide this collar over the top here. And then it looks to my eye like we've got 4 bolts that need to get pulled out of the handlebars. They're actually pre-done already, so that's kind of handy. So I'm just gonna unscrew those, 4 of them, and then put them through this piece here, like that. Shows you exactly how to install the handlebar. The toolkit comes with Allen keys and a screwdriver, which is reversible. So if you need to use the other end, that's super handy. But basically everything you need to actually put it all together. You can use the included Allen keys, or I'm just gonna speed things up with my little drill. This is pretty awesome setup. Really comfortable hand grips, manual brakes, front and rear. Powers on really nicely. It's got the speedometer here with, the throttle's right there. We've got lights on and off switch here. We even have indicators, which are flashing down below here. And we have a horn button. Wow, that is loud. And that's the Aerlang. A remarkably easy setup. Wow, all I need to do now is just double check all the bolts, check the tire pressure, make sure it's fully charged, and take it out for its first ride.